Hello, teacher.
Morning, Lam.
Hello, teacher.
Good morning, Lam. It's wonderful to see you again, Lam. Are you in your house?
Yeah.
Oh, yes, you are. Well, that's good. What did you do on the weekend, Lam?
Yeah.
What did you do on the weekend?
Uh,
Saturday and Sunday, Lam. What did
anytime.
you do? What?
Um, I just, I just eat.
You just eat? Did you? go out with your family or no?
No.
Oh no, you did not. And that is fine,
I
Lam.
stay at home and play song with my cousin or anything.
Okay, with your cousin and of course me as well. It's
Yeah.
me at school now.
What teacher?
It's me at school now.
Yeah.
Okay. What about you, Lam? When will you go to school? When will you go to
Uh,
school? Next month?
I think in this year, no, this month. I
Oh,
think
next.
finish this month.
And what grade will you be, Lam?
Grade 3.
Oh, grade 3. Wow. Time flies so fast, Lam. Now, let me share my screen and wait, did you answer your homework?
Yeah.
Yes, you did. Okay, wait. Let me see. Okay. Oh, why is it blurry? Okay, for a moment. Okay. Now, okay, so in here you only encircled the grammatical the words or phrases that makes the sentence grammatically incorrect, right? You did not write the correct
Yeah.
answer. Okay, so the first one you encircled doesn't goes. What should be the answer here, Lam? What should be the answer here? If it's not, we doesn't go shopping during the week, what should be the answer?
Teacher, but I remember I do it already.
No, you did not, Lam. Wait, let me translate it, okay?
I
You
remember
only
already. I just sent.
circle the words that makes the sentence grammatically incorrect, but you did not write the answer that makes the sentence correct.
Bạn chỉ khoanh tròn những từ khiến câu sai ngữ pháp, nhưng bạn chưa viết câu trả lời để làm cho câu đúng ngữ pháp.
See?
Okay, okay.
Okay, so that is why. Now in here, it's correct, Lam. We doesn't goes shopping during the week. Doesn't goes makes the sentence incorrect. So how should we make it correct? What should we write? It should be we. It should be we. Tell me, Lam.
We,
Okay, do you want an example how to do it?
yeah.
Okay, it should be we don't go, Lam. We don't go. Because in here, our subject is we, right? And of course, we takes don't, not doesn't, because it is plural. And when we have do, does, did, it will take the base form. So it's not goes, it's go. We don't go shopping during the week. Now, what about for the second one? You did not answer this. Do you mean this is grammatically correct? This Kate helps her mother in the kitchen? This is a question, Lam. Do you think this is
Things.
correct?
I think.
You think what?
I think so.
Oh, you think so. Wait, let me encircle the words you have encircled in your homework first. Okay, grows, like, cooks. Who helped you in answering this one, Lam?
Just me. I don't know.
Uh-huh.
I just answer like.
Mm-hmm. 12. Okay, 13, no, how. And 15, wants, drives, does. Okay, there you have it. Now, for the second one, Lam, it would be incorrect if we'd say this is grammatically correct sentence because in each sentence, Lam, it is grammatically incorrect. So, which means you must find one incorrect word that makes the sentence grammatically incorrect, just like the first one. For this one, Lam, it should be what? The word helps is incorrect here. What should we write then? It should be, does Kate blank her mother in the kitchen? It should be what, Lam?
You should be. Is it like I just say?
Yeah, can you say your answer? What should be the answer here? Helps is incorrect. So what should we write to make it grammatically correct? It should be, does Kate.
That's hard, teacher.
No, it's not difficult, Lam, because in here basically we're just applying what we have learned in the past lessons we had. We've talked about present simple, right? And as well
Yeah.
as present continuous. And that is found in this one, Lam. So, for example, in the first one, we don't go shopping during the week. What about for two? Does Kate? It should be, is it helps or helping?
Helping.
No, not helping, Lam, because this is a present simple question. So it should be, does Kate help? I told you, right? After do, does, did, we will use the base form of the verb. Base form, their original form, Lam, without adding s, es, or ing. That is their base form. So it should be help. Okay. Does Kate help her mother in the kitchen? We've talked about this one as well. Now, for the next one, my daughter doesn't likes to eat fish and chips. Now you encircled likes, which is correct. But what should we write instead of likes? What should we write?
Writing.
Hmm. Why is it writing? We have here likes. What do you think, Lam? My daughter doesn't likes to eat fish and chips. It should be, it should be what? My daughter doesn't, we have doesn't, Lam. So, what should we use? We should use,
Mm, that's haunted.
even if our subject is singular, but with the presence of do, does, and did, we will use the base form of the verb.
Ngay cả khi chủ ngữ là số ít, nhưng có sự hiện diện của do, das và did, chúng ta vẫn sẽ sử dụng dạng nguyên mẫu của động từ.
Right?
Okay.
Okay, so what should be our answer here, Lam? Can you tell me your answer for 3? It should be...
It should be so hard.
No, it's not hard. It's not hard. It's only hard, Lam, if we haven't talked about this one, but we're done talking about it.
Teacher, why did I remember? I didn't. You didn't talk to me.
We have talked about this one, Lam.
Already? Okay. So let me try to say it.
So in here, Lam, my daughter doesn't like. It should be like, not likes, because we have here doesn't. That is what I've translated just now, right? Even if our subject is singular, but with the presence of do, does, and did, doesn't, don't, and didn't, we will use the base form of the verb, which is like, not likes, not liking. Okay? Now, next one. Sam doesn't wears. Okay? Now, in here, Lam, doesn't is correct. So, the incorrect one here is wears. Lam, wears. Can you tell me what should we write here? It should be... What should we write here? Instead of wears, we should write...
Why is this hard now, teacher?
No, it's not hard. It's the same, Lam. All you have to do is to apply what I've said in items 2 and 3. All you have to do is to apply what I said.
Okay.
Okay, so it should be Sam doesn't what? Sam doesn't
Play.
Doesn't what, Lam? What did you say, Lam?
Ngay cả khi chủ ngữ là số ít, nhưng có sự hiện diện của do, das và did, chúng ta vẫn sẽ sử dụng dạng nguyên mẫu của động từ.
Okay.
Okay.
Now, can you tell me the answer for 4, Lam? It's not Sam doesn't wears his coat in winter. So, wears is incorrect. It should be, is it still wears, wear, or wearing?
Wearing.
Why is it wearing, Lam? Is the word wearing a base form?
No.
No, right? So we will not use that one. That is a gerund, Lam, and we don't use that one here. So it should be Sam doesn't wear. Sam doesn't wear his coat in winter. Now, what about 4, 5? My cousins. Okay, now you did not encircle any word here. And, okay, I will encircle the incorrect one for you. It's doesn't. Doesn't. My cousins. It should be. What's the answer
My
here,
cousin.
Lam? My
My
cousins.
cousin.
What is it? See, the sentence given here is, my cousins doesn't know how to speak English well. So, if the word doesn't is incorrect, what should we replace it? What should we use?
Use
Cousins, Lam, cousins. When we say cousins, is that singular or plural?
singular.
Is it singular, Lam?
No,
Are you sure?
plural.
Yeah, it is plural. The singular form of cousins is cousin, just cousin without S, Lam. So, what will we use here? Is it a don't, doesn't, or didn't?
Didn't.
What? Didn't? Didn't, Lam?
Yeah.
Are you guessing, Lam?
No, I'm sure.
Oh, you are sure. But the correct answer here, Lam, is don't. Okay, don't. Now, we have talked about this one as well, Lam. We have talked about it all, Lam. See, if our subject is singular, we will use does and its negative form doesn't. That is if our subject is singular. But if our subject is plural, Lam, then we will not use does. We will use don't, right? But no matter what our subject is, we will use did or didn't if it is already in the past, Lam. If it happened already. Okay, but in here, this is present simple tense, Lam. My cousins don't know how to speak English well. Okay, don't know how to speak English well. It is
Okay.
a fact, Lam. Now, Tim don't grows flowers in the garden. The incorrect words or phrase here is not just grows, but it should be don't grows. What should be the answer here, Lam? Still, this is a present simple tense. Can you make this grammatically correct?
Grammatic correct with it means teacher, can you translate with me?
Okay, wait. Tim don't grows flowers in the garden. If the phrase don't grows makes the sentence grammatically incorrect, what should we replace it to make it grammatically correct?
Tim không trồng hoa trong vườn. Nếu cụm từ don't grow làm cho câu không đúng ngữ pháp, chúng ta nên thay thế nó bằng cụm từ nào để câu trở nên đúng ngữ pháp?
Do you understand?
Okay.
Okay, can you try to answer it, Lam? 6. If don't grows here is grammatically makes the sentence grammatically incorrect, what should we replace it to make it grammatically correct?
What is replace that, teacher?
What should we change it, Lam? What should we write instead of don't grows? What should we write?
We should write
We should write it should be Our subject is Tim. How many is Tim? How many is
There
Tim?
is just one.
Yeah, so what should we use? It's don't, doesn't, or didn't.
Didn't.
Why is it didn't? Why is it didn't?
It's so hard.
No, it's not hard, Lam. We keep on talking about this for a month now, Lam. Or more than a month now. It's not hard, Lam. I keep on translating. I keep on explaining how to use these words, Lam. So you should be, if you don't know what word you should use, at least you should be familiar what words you should be using by now. Okay? Again, we use do if our subject is plural. We use does if our subject is singular. We use didn't for the things that already happened in the past.
Okay, teacher.
Chúng ta dùng do nếu chủ ngữ là số nhiều, dùng does nếu chủ ngữ là số ít, còn dùng didn't cho những việc đã xảy ra trong quá khứ bất kể chủ ngữ là gì.
Okay.
Yeah.
Again, Lam, when do we use do? When do we use do?
We just do for
For
um
we use do for, I've translated it just now, Lam.
they she no they you we
Okay, yes, I, you, we, they. So plural. Okay, plural. Now, what about does? Does.
us
Yes.
like that. Okay.
When do we use does?
For it, he, she.
Okay, he, she, it, or singular.
Yeah.
Now, what about did?
For you, they, we.
And I, you, we, they, and?
He, she.
Okay, he, she, it. For all the subjects, Lam, for all the subjects, as long as it happened already, we will use did. Okay, all subjects. Okay, now what about don't? What about don't? Yes.
For you, Dewi. You, Dewi, is it?
Okay, still plural, right? Plural subjects. Okay, I, you, we, they. Now, what about doesn't? Doesn't.
Doesn't.
Yes.
Doesn't.
Yes. When do we use doesn't?
For that's hard.
Doesn't.
Oh, doesn't for it. He, she.
Okay, yeah, singular subjects, Lam. Okay, now what about didn't? Didn't.
Didn't.
Yes. When do we use didn't?
We use didn't for we use didn't for
For what, Mom?
for you, Dewi, I, he, it, she, teacher.
Okay, yes, for all subjects, Lam. Remember that, Lam. Okay, remember that. But as well, I want you to remember that even if our subject, Lam, is singular, okay, even if our subject is singular, or yes, even if our subject is singular with the presence of do, does, did, or don't, doesn't, and didn't, we will use the base form of the verb, because you know that if our subject is singular, we will add s or es, right? But if we have the do, does, did, lam, most of the time, though not always, we will use the base form of the verb. Like for example, in here, does Kate? Okay, Kate is how many? Kate is only one, right?
One. Yeah.
But we have here does. We have does. So we will not use helps, Lam. We will not use helps. We will use help. Okay, so it must take the base form of the verb because we have the presence of does.
Of this,
Okay.
present of this. Okay.
Yes, with a do, does, and did, Lam, we will use the base form. Okay, now let us try answering 6 now. We have our subject, Tim. Tim is only one. So is it correct that we'll use don't or we should use doesn't?
Isn't.
Okay, so we should use Tim doesn't. Should it be grow, slam, or grow?
Gross.
Out grows?
No, girl.
Grow, just
Grow.
grow because we have doesn't, right? We have doesn't. So base form. Tim doesn't grow flowers in the garden. Now this sentence is correct. Okay. Now next one. Kate liked to eat an ice cream at the seaside. The word that makes this one incorrect is like. So what should we write instead of like, Lam? It should be It should be
It should be this is hard.
no, it's not hard. Don't think of it as difficult, Lam, or else you'll find it really difficult. Okay? Our mindset greatly plays a big impact to how we answer, Lam, how we function. So don't think of it as difficult. It's easy, okay? It's easy. Now, Kate, like or Kate alike, likes or liking?
Liking.
Why is it liking, Lam? Can you still remember, Lam? I told you last time that when we have ing, there should be is, are, am, right?
Yes.
Okay. So, do we have is, are, or am here? No, right? So, we should not use liking. Instead, it should be likes, Lam, likes. Kate likes to eat ice cream at the seaside. Okay? This is present simple tense, Lam, not present continuous tense. Okay, it should be likes. Likes. Next one, Lam. I cooks dinner at 6 o'clock every day. If our subject is singular, Lam, it must take S or ES. But if our subject is plural, it must take the base form of the verb. Okay? So, the word cooks make this one incorrect. What should we write instead of cooks? Our subject, what is our subject here, Lam? What is our subject, Lam? Lam?
What is subject, teacher?
What is our subject? Who's the person being talked about in this sentence? It's I, right? I.
Yes.
Is I singular or plural?
Plural.
Okay, it's plural, right? So, we will not use cooks because cooks is for singular. See, it takes the S. It's for singular. So, we should erase S here. Okay, we should erase S. It should be I cook dinner at 6 o'clock every day. Now, can you tell me again the answer for 8, Lam? Can you tell me the answer for 8 again?
For 8 again.
Yes.
Okay.
I told you the answer already, so you should be able to say the answer correctly. What's the answer for 8?
Oh, can you send me this homework again? Can I do it again? What is I
No,
don't like I didn't do this already.
no, you have to tell me the answer for 8, Lam. I thought I've given the answer already. I told you the answer already. Now, I want to see if you're really listening. So, can you tell me your answer? Can you tell me the answer again?
I cook dinner at 6 o'clock every day.
Okay, it's I cook, not I cooks. Now, let us have a 9. Mr. Hill don't plays tennis during weekend in the summer. Now, don't plays makes this sentence grammatically incorrect. So, what should we use here instead of don't and plays?
Don't.
Mr.
not
Hill
play.
is
Do not
Miss
play. Do not.
not, do not play. Don't and do not, they are the same, Lam. Don't and do not, they are the same. Mr. Hill is only one. Just one? What should we use? What should we use?
Mr. Hill, don't hide.
Don't?
Doesn't
Don't?
hide.
Why is it don't? Don't, Lam. It's for plural subject. Mr. Hill is only one. What's your answer?
But the answer
Yes. What should be our answer here, Lam? It should be, we have talked about this one, right? Can you remember?
yeah.
Okay. What should we use? Mr. Hill is only one. We will not use don't. What will we use? What will we use? What should we use, Lam?
We use
We should use
it. We just use
we should use not don't, but what is it, Lam? The answer is on the screen, Lam. All you have to do is to say it, Lam. Mr. Hill, not don't, but what is it?
don't.
Not don't, Lam. It's
To
doesn't. Doesn't.
doesn't.
Because as I've said, Mr. Hill is only one. So it's doesn't. What is it? Play, plays, playing. Play, plays, playing.
Playing.
Why is it playing, Lam? I told you that if we have do, does, did, don't, doesn't, didn't, we will use the base form, right? Base form. It should be just play. Play. Okay, Mr. Hill doesn't play tennis during the weekend in summer. Present simple tense, Lam. Okay. Do you get it, Lam?
Yeah.
Now, let us have 10. The girls likes to play in the